Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see the key difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So our first point is type system. So JavaScript doesn't require you to specify a variable type, whereas TypeScript requires you to declare a variable type. So our second point is tooling. So JavaScript run directly in a web browser or server-side engines, whereas TypeScript required to be converted to JavaScript first using a compiler before running. So our third point is development experience. So JavaScript is used for small projects, but error may pop up during runtime. Whereas TypeScript is safer and more organized features like autocomplete and error detection. So our fourth point is community adoption. So JavaScript is widely used in web development, whereas TypeScript is increasingly popular, especially for larger projects and businesses. Our fifth point is learning curve. So JavaScript is relatively easy to pick, whereas TypeScript requires additional syntax for type annotation and can be little bit more challenging. Talking about sixth point, which is error handling. So JavaScript error may occur during runtime, whereas TypeScript helps to catch the error before runtime and make debugging easier. So that's it for this video.